Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the exhaust is done. So, what I did is I purchased a 2.5-inch hot rod kit because the outlets on the Arnes LTXD manifold that comes with the bolts and the gaskets and the flanges is 2.5 inches. So, that's what I bought. 2.5-inch exhaust. And then I put it together here and I did 2 straight pipes, if I remember. I just got them started and I wanted to see what I wanted to do, and I was like, for the power this is gonna have, a single would be nice. Also, the fuel lines, battery lines and everything, brake lines, everything is over here, and the gas tank is offset to this side to allow the exhaust to go out this side. And they already had the over axle section, so I just did the downs, the merge, the Y pipe, whatever you want to call it. I did the O2 sensor at the merge to get the average data, and then I went into a muffler I had laying around. I had 2 of them. I had them in like the front of my 1 turbo car when I non-turboed it for a couple tests, and then I put a Monkey Fab V-band with the copper gasket in it. I used the factory hanger. I shoved like an old rod end or whatever. I had a piece of rod, shoved it in there, and that's supporting it. And then it has another hanger over here that they already did, and a nice old lady chrome exhaust tip. So, all that being said, I'm done with that. Drive shaft should come in tomorrow. I'd like to fire it and listen to it with the tailpipe and everything. I fired it with just a muffler dumped under the body, and it was pretty quiet. And pretty happy with all of it so far. It should look the part. I mean, if you have 2 like exhaust tips and this thing's loud, it kind of defeats the purpose of what it is. So, exhaust is on. I'm excited. It has an exhaust and an O2 sensor. Ladies and gents,